Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's a voiceover because Bella is sleeping behind me. I'm using the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. I'm using this dark brown. I'm just using this as a transition color because the other color I'm going to use is black. So I'm only using two eyeshadow colors for this look. And I'm just placing the brown into my crease. Sorry if you guys hear background noise. I'm recording this voiceover while outside. Now, I know you guys have been wondering who the giveaway winner is, but the giveaway winner chose not to be named. So I did already pick the cash giveaway winner, and they've been chosen, and they've been given the 50 bucks. But it was their choice not to be named, so I didn't do like a whole video announcing the winner and all that, which is fine. Privacy, people deserve privacy if that's what they want. But yeah, I'm just using this dark brown color. I'm just blending. The next color I'm going to use is a black color. Now this is the Morphe palette, but this black is not as dark as I want it to be. It's more like a dark gray, so I just packed on the color like a lot. I'm bringing it a little bit lower than I put that brown. I'm just packing it into my crease and my whole lid. And make sure you pack on the color if your black is not like super black. So what are you guys doing for Halloween? I'm gonna take Abella trick-or-treating. I don't think I'm gonna get a costume, but what are you guys gonna be for Halloween? I thought about getting a costume, but like I don't want to waste money for no reason to wear for one day. Yeah, I'm just creating like a V shape on the outer corner. I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the other eye. Now, like I said, if you guys hear background noise, it's because I'm outside, so you probably hear cars and stuff like that. After I do this black, I'm gonna put some glitter on, like in a line, kind of like glitter liner. But my hand is like not super steady, so I kind of mess up a bunch. So just take your time. I was kind of in a rush because, like I said, Abella was asleep behind me, and she only sleeps for like an hour, and then she wakes up. So I didn't have a lot of time to like do it super slow. But this is the glitter. It's by Miss Metals. And I'm gonna take an angled brush and put the glitter on. Another thing about this glitter, it dries like super fast. So there's literally no room for mistake. Like once it's down, it's down. As you can see, I'm like already messing up. But I'm trying to go as fast as possible. I'm just putting the line between the black and the brown. I am gonna fix it up later in the video. You guys will see me try to fix it, but I don't think I do that good of a job. I'm just dragging it out all the way to like the end of my eyebrow. This is how it looks, but like I said, I have to clean it up. It looks kind of crazy. But if you have more time, just like go slow. This is my first time like doing a like glitter liner on the eyeshadow. So it does look pretty crazy. I'm sorry. There, I messed up. You can see I messed up big time. I try to fix it. If you guys know a really good black eyeshadow, leave it down in the comments because I want a really like straight up deep black eyeshadow. But yeah, I'm going to be filming every day of October. I'm going to be doing a video every day, literally. I have to film so much. I'm going to try to batch film just so like when I see batch film, I mean film more than one video in one setting. So I'm taking this brush right here. I'm taking that brown I used before, and I'm just trying my best to clean it up as much as I can. Like I said, the glitter liner looks pretty crazy, but I don't mind. I'm not really leaving the house with this makeup. I just film for you guys. And I'm taking those little highlight colors and I'm going to put it under my brow bone. I know I use more than one palette in this tutorial, but you guys can use any palettes you want that has similar colors. It doesn't have to be the exact same palettes I use. And now, what am I looking for? I honestly don't know what I'm looking for. Give me a second. I'll find it, whatever it is. But what's your guys' favorite, like, holiday? I honestly love Halloween and Christmas. What did I just grab? It's a mystery. I think I grabbed concealer and a little brush for the concealer because I'm gonna clean. Yeah, I did. Okay, so I'm using the e.l.f. Camel Concealer and a little flat brush. And what I'm gonna do is clean up the eyeshadow. When I cleaned up the eyeshadow, I did it a little too thin, if it makes sense. Like, it makes the eyeshadow look weird. So after that, I actually went back with the black shadow and just like blended out the edges a little bit, just so it doesn't look too crazy. Alright. See, like, I kind of messed it up when I cleaned it up. I don't have foundation on yet, so I'm gonna go put my foundation on and be back. My foundation's on. I have that black. That's the excess I've had on that little brush with the black. I'm just smoking out my lower lash line. So I'm just gonna smoke that out. Look how crazy it looks. I'm sorry, guys. I'm doing my best. Now what am I gonna do? What am I looking for now? Melissa, what are you looking for? Okay. I tried to fix my nose ring, but I actually need to clean it, so I could move it. It's still a brand new piercing. I'm now putting on a red liquid lipstick. I don't know the name of it, but if I find out, I'll put it in the description. It's just a red liquid lipstick. There we go, so pretty. And now I'm grabbing the blush palette by Juvia's Place. I just mix those two colors, put it on my cheeks and on my nose, just to bring a little bit more color to my face. Just a little bit more color. Just fixing my hair. Well, my wig, technically. Because, as you guys know, I shaved off all my hair. So this is how it looks. But I'm going to go back in with another glitter one. And this one's actually a pink one. The other one was more like a champagne color. I'm just putting on my lower lash. Like the inner corner. And then I'm going to try to clean that line up again. But I end up messing it up more. So you don't have to do this part. This is pretty much the look. See, this one has more pink tones to it. I was putting on more, trying to fix it, but it doesn't really do much help. Like I said, you guys, just take your time. Seriously. I just end up messing it up more. But that's okay. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the look. Subscribe, like, comment. And I love you guys. Bye.